It's almost go time and I'm feeling a little anxious, which is kind of weird. It's maybe a little ridiculous to feel anxious for a sale. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are shopping the SEZANE Fall Winter Archives, which I am so pumped for. There were definitely some pieces that I missed out on last year that I have on my wish list. So it's gonna be a little different this time. I feel like I've got my eye on the prize. There's some things I'm gonna be going after right away that I'm gonna wanna make sure to get into my basket. And then just for fun, I'll definitely be browsing the rest of the site just to see what they have and what they're offering. I think they're splitting this sale out into a couple different parts, so tonight is just act 1. We've still got a few more minutes, so for now I'm just gonna hang out and wait here anxiously. Okay, the website was broken for the first 20 minutes, so we're finally in. I actually did some shopping on my phone for like my must-have items, but now I just want to browse, so let's browse. Wow, that's a mess. Honestly, I feel bad for people who didn't use the app because they probably missed out on everything. I'm so sorry if that happened to you. That really sucks. I feel disappointed because I prefer to shop on my computer, but I made do with what I had. So I was looking at blouses just now on my phone before I realized that the website was working again, so let's start there. Oh, it's really slow. Oh my god. So I was really excited about all the Pedro shirts that they're gonna have here. I already had this one last year. I actually ended up selling it just because I felt like I didn't have enough things to wear the astrology print one with, but it is such a beautiful shirt. I definitely recommend it. Oh, those are cute. They have astrology tees. I don't need one, but they're cute. Oh, I do like this blouse. I'm gonna put it in my cart just for fun. Yeah, this is a nice one. I have it in the print, but I kind of could use like a plain cotton blouse. So I do love this one in the foliage print, but oh my god, it's like already sold out. It's really pretty though. That one's also mainly silk besides the metallic, so really pretty. I ordered this print last fall actually, this Pedro shirt, and it was really pretty, but it wasn't for me, so I ended up returning it. That was before I started making videos. Okay, I've kind of seen all this before. Nothing's super exciting to me. I have a lot of white though. Oh, I like the tilde. I might put that in my cart to think about. Okay, bad news though with this site is nothing is going in my cart. So as we're talking about these, I'm gonna use the app still and just make sure they're in my phone. Yeah, that sounds good. We're just gonna double shop. Can never hurt. Oh, this one's so pretty. Gives me very like old SEZANE vibes. Love it. Okay, nothing really too crazy is jumping out at me. Like there's nothing that I absolutely need to have besides some of the things that I've already ordered, which I will definitely share in an upcoming haul. I'm not going to reveal tonight. That takes away the fun. Just watching me scroll, like waiting for something to catch my attention. Oh, this one's pretty. This print, the flowers. Ah, so nice. Oh no. No. All right, well, we're going back to my phone for a second as they fix this. I really wanted the Bond shirt. I think I'm saying that probably wrong, but really wanted it, but it's sold out in a 2. So the question is, do I try a 4? Every time I do that, it never works, but I could do it. But the thing is, like, I wanted the matching skirt, the Masha skirt with it. I have an idea where I'd wear it, which honestly like takes place in the very far future because I'm not dressing up or going to parties right now. But I had a vision and I'm pretty disappointed. I was pretty hyped about that one, and I would have to say that's my biggest disappointment of the archive so far. Let's look at knitwear. I always need more sweaters, even though my collection is overflowing. Maybe what I need is a better organizational system to fit all my sweaters. Okay, the website is so slow, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna like switch between my phone while I'm waiting for things to load because I don't have the patience. Oh no, it's happening again. Now it's happening on my phone. The patience, please. I'm kind of over this. This is so frustrating. I knew this would happen. We all saw it coming with how many people were liking the Instagram posts about the sale. Okay, well, we're just gonna hang out. It's too bad that I don't have any like magic tricks to share while we're waiting. Don't have any songs to sing. No jokes to share. It's just 3 in the morning and I haven't gone to bed yet. Okay, I think we're back. I think being the key word. This is probably gonna be my most chaotic video that I've ever made. Okay, in knitwear, I have the Becky in the blue from last year and I absolutely love it. It is my favorite sweater ever. Kind of tempted to get the other color, but I feel like it wouldn't look as good on me as the blue does, so I'm gonna pass. For now anyway, I could come back to it. I do really like this. I've never had the Pedro Jumper. So I feel like I'm gonna add it to my basket and see if it goes in there, because oh, it did, okay, it worked. I feel like things are not like saving in my basket and they're falling out, which is really frustrating. I also really like this jumper, but I have so many camel jumpers. I kind of wanted the white one, but I know the white one's sold out. So I'm gonna think about the Pauline jumper, but I don't need it. I like that it's a crew neck. I don't really have a lot of crew necks. Ooh, this looks so cozy. Oh, sold out already in my size. Ooh, I could get Eduardo instead of, what was it called? The Pedro. What's the difference? It could just be from different years. Oh, we're already sold out. We're already sold out. Ooh, there's a green. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, I like the green. Should I mix it up? Should I do something different? Or I can get navy. Oh, I remember this one. This one's from a while ago. It might be 2 seasons. I'm gonna keep the green in my cart if it decides it wants to stay there. We're scrolling fast. We gotta keep up with everyone else. I have this one in the white from last year. Love it. Oh, the Jacob in green is pretty. Kind of love that. Things are selling fast. My rule is, I just made this up because I was thinking about it as I was waiting for the site to load, is that I'm not gonna buy something just because it's on sale if it's not my size. Like, I'm not gonna size up and just pretend that I think it's gonna work. It'll save me money and grief. Actually, I kind of want to look and see. I'm obsessing. I really want it in the 2, but it says create an alert, so it's not gonna happen. I also am interested in the Tilda, so I'm gonna look this one up because I think this one's really pretty. And I have a nude bodysuit that would work really well under this, but I also think it would be fantastic for layering. Like if I wore, I don't know, some sort of sweater over it, or I don't know, something that would like show off the ruffles a little bit. I think that'd be so cute. And I also think this color would probably flatter me more than the Oban one. Okay, let's look at denim. Is this all their old denim? Oh yes, it is. Not really interested. I don't really need jeans. Okay, I kind of went through bottoms. I did end up getting a bottom in one of my orders that I've already placed. So I've kind of breezed through here fast. I don't really think there's anything else that I'm interested in besides what I got. I don't really love most of their pants. They're always too long on me. So besides the Clara trousers, and the Gustavo is usually fine. I like the way the Arthur looks, but I know that I would need to get them tailored. And obviously I'm not really in the mood to do that these days not wearing them anywhere. I just wear sweatpants all day. Revealing all my secrets tonight. You know, I have the blazer for these, so I kind of want to try them. Oh, not available due to low stock. All right, well, I guess that's not meant to be. Let's look through coats and jackets quick. I'm always a sucker for their coats. Ah, the Alda. The Alda is here. I know that they, oh yes, already gone. I have heard that it runs quite big, so. I do love this James coat, but I definitely do not need another coat. But I definitely was looking at that one last year. I thought it was so pretty. I still think it's pretty, obviously. I'm surprised this one isn't sold out yet. I feel like a lot of people are obsessed with this coat. And it was seen on like a lot of Instagram bloggers and stuff, so. I really like the Mike jacket. This one's so classic. I feel like this is one, well, at least in the, I guess not the print's not really classic, but in the check, the houndstooth. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Okay, in the houndstooth, I just feel like this is such a classic style, and I'm really into it. So I think I'm thinking about this one for sure. All right. Ooh, this is a cute blazer. Love it. I have this one, but I got it off of Poshmark, surprisingly. But if you're interested, if you've seen me wear it in videos, it's in the archives. Oh, this was so iconic last year when they released the fall lookbook, and it was like purple in your face. I saw this outfit and I was like, I need that. I ordered it, but I didn't end up keeping it. Wasn't really that wearable for my wardrobe anyway. Should we look at shoes maybe? That'd be fun. Let's see, I'm kind of between 38, 39. I usually go 39 in SEZANE because I feel like they run a little small. In like heels, I go with the 38, but in boots, I go with the 39. These are cute. Oh, I like the green. I could get these green shoes and then that green sweater. Oh my gosh, my stomach just growled. Did you hear that? My body is all confused because I'm up so late. It's like, Maddie, what are we doing? Oh, I love these, but I don't need them. The Hi Kate Mary Janes. Those are so good. I'm trying to be practical. I love velvet boots too, but I would just be so worried about ruining them. I've had velvet shoes before and I've scratched them to death. And then like the velvet falls off and it leaves patches. It's just not a good look. I'm not responsible enough for velvet shoes. I love the cowboy boots. I feel like SEZANE's version of a cowboy western boot is kind of more, it's more feminine and more chic than a traditional western boot. So I'm kind of into it, even though it's not really my style 100%. But maybe I'll try them. Oh, I'm surprised to see these. I kind of love these. I'm gonna put them in my cart. If you look at accessories, I always feel like I need more hats and scarves during this time of year. But I bet they're all gonna be sold out. I feel like accessories are usually pretty picked over. Yeah, I'm right. Oh, yep, that was it. I don't need any jewelry. I feel like I'm covered there. Belts? Oh no, we're all sold out too. That's okay. I don't really think there's any styles that I was super excited for in belts. Except for this one's really cute. But obviously it's gone, so I couldn't even if I wanted to. Okay, what's in lifestyle? Ooh, I could use some decorations. Oh, no, sold out. Wow, everything went so fast. Okay, should I do any more once-overs? I didn't really look in dresses that much. I don't really need dresses, but let's take a peek. Maybe something will surprise me. I'm just obviously not wearing them right now. I know I could be thinking future, but I feel like there will always be another style. I do like this dress in the foliage print. I think I just really like this print. I'm really into the foliage print, mainly because it's 100% silk, or no, it's 95 and then 5% metallic fiber, which makes sense. But it's very pretty. It might be a little overwhelming though, from just thinking about the way it might fit. I think I might be better suited to the skirt. So I might go for the skirt instead. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, it's sold out in my size. I clicked on it, but it's still loading, so I'm just gonna keep scrolling. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna be done. I'm pretty tired and I feel like I have picked out a few things I'm really excited about and I'm satisfied with. So we're gonna hit the pause button on the spending tonight because this is only Act 1 of the archives. I can't believe that. There's gonna be possibly another night or two where I am doing this. Maybe not though, maybe I'm gonna be wiped out after this, I have no idea. Apart from the frustrating site issues, I hope that you guys had a fun time shopping the archives and I hope that you found at least one thing that you loved and are excited for. I will see you in my next video. Bye!